know that I got you, girl. Know that I'm gon' love you forever. It's my town and your town. Now that we're here, we gon' build this empire together. When you smile, I smile. As long as I got you, I'm gon' make sure that you smile forever. You're too down, I'm so proud. No matter the weather, we gon' pull through the storms together. You're my queen and I'm your king. You're my love, my everything. You have my heart and yours with me. I'm feeling like it's destiny.
Finally made it to the room.
Finally.
What you got in your hands?
The key to your vacation is here. These are our sail away cards.
We were supposed to have our luggage, but
Hopefully it's up here soon. I don't see nobody with no luggage yet, so.
ain't no luggage yet. Ain't no luggage. Let's see the room.
Go first.
Thank you.
That's nice. It's like right behind us.
Unfamiliar environments.
So this is it, guys. Got the
That's a little
TV.
Probably can swivel that mug out. Yeah, okay. Swivel it out and look at it.
Oh yeah, that's nice. All right, y'all. Here is the room.
Welcome to our crib, you know what I'm saying, for the next 5 days, 4 nights. So first thing we got right here was our little closet area, you know what I'm saying. Hold on, let me see if we got a little lights.
You got a light in here?
I bought some lights for us just because I felt like it was gonna be dark.
Damn.
Yeah, I bought
It's
us
okay.
a bunch of lights.
But here's the closet, guys. Y'all see
Somebody
the...
up here on the right, you can see somebody spent $74.99 at Ross. Yeah, okay.
All right, so this is the little closet. Ain't too much going on. Got some life jackets in there, and you need it.
Okay, then right here, come on around this corner. Right here around this corner. This is our climate control center area. You know, this is how you decide how you want your climate in your room. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And we got some little plugs and stuff. You know what I'm saying? We got a little desk in case you need to do some
Did we
work while
bring
you're bored.
some, did we bring the adapter?
We don't need an adapter.
Oh, okay. We got these over
Yeah,
here.
we don't need an adapter. I bought a whistle as long as they let it through in our luggage. But you got your desk, you know, just in case you want to do a little work. I hope you're not on a cruise ship trying to do no work.
I almost brought my MacBook, ain't gonna lie.
But yeah, you know, we got plenty of mirrors for her to take little poses in. All right, let's see what we got right here. This might be the laboratory.
The laboratory.
Watch your step, as y'all
Let
can
me
see.
see.
Hold on, let me turn the little light switch.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
let me get you through there so you can see it's not that much space.
Watch stuff. Got some little hooks right here. Hang your little stuff up.
Hang your little stuff up, you know what I'm saying? Got your stand-up shower. You know what I'm saying? The sliding glass doors for them boys. Sliding glass door for them boys. You hear me?
Okay.
Little
The
toilet.
shower. Toilet down here.
Little sink with some water. Oh, look, the water worked. Look at that. I don't know. Oh, this for the cups. If you want to take some shots while you're in this mug, which we plan on doing.
That is not for shots.
For wine? What is it for?
Babe, they wouldn't put it in the bathroom.
I don't know what it's for, so
That's
I'm just
for-
telling them what I think it's for. What
No.
I'm going to utilize it for, okay?
I'm
what
not
they-
using no glass that's in the bathroom for shots. No.
What is
That's
it for?
for when you taking, like when you brushing your teeth and stuff, like if you want to like gargle or wash your mouth out or something.
What? That's what my... Man, stop playing.
Anyway, so
Anyway,
yeah,
man, come
they
on
got
out.
the,
Let's finish this tour, man. Come on out here. Come on, man. She being silly, y'all. She being silly. They gave us a little couch in case you want to just relax and kick your feet up and look out the little water. You know what I'm saying? Just chill. Just vibe out. You feel me? I can watch TV while I'm sitting right here. You got to show them how I'm watching whatever the fuck this is on the TV channel. You know what I'm saying? And then if I want to just migrate over here, like, I'm in the bed, baby. We in this thing. There's 2 twin beds put together to make a king, and this bitch is comfortable. Nice and comfortable, for sure. Oh, and we got the safe where you put your valuables. Yeah.
okay. Little TV.
Little TV with the swivel mount, you know. Probably ain't got too many channels, but hey, I'm thankful we got something to watch. Sure, we got a refrigerator down here.
Yeah. What's in there? Nothing.
Something that we're going to have to pay for if it is. Nope, it's nice and empty.
Okay. Is it cold?
No, we probably got to turn it on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But yeah, man, that's pretty much the room. We got some nightstands over here. You got a little phone.
I ain't gonna lie, I like this setup for the bed. I mean, the view behind the bed, and then it's facing the.
I thought it was gonna be like bed, and we're gonna look to the right and see the big window.
Yeah, that whole nice. I like it, and it's not too small. Like I thought it was gonna be. Nah, I ain't opening it. I thought it was gonna be small, but it's not.
This is crazy, bro. This is the ocean. Yeah, we can. Oh, what that little card is? She had me a card to scan so we can try to level up our room, get us a room with a balcony. So let me tell y'all, I didn't know.
Can you mute that?
Yeah, I'm sorry. So let me tell y'all, I seen the balconies, but I didn't know. I was like being kind of cheap. I was like, I'll be able to upgrade later. Let me just get it because it's a good deal, and then I'll upgrade later. They ain't had no balcony rooms available. So last ditch effort, they gave us this little card. It's called a roll up. It says your upgrade is a bid away. So you just scan this QR code, and then at like 5 or 6 o'clock, they'll tell us if we got the upgrade. So hopefully, you know what I'm saying, they messing with us, bro, and we can get this little upgrade. You know, if
is
not,
it a free upgrade?
Enter your last name and booking ID. I don't think it's free.
Oh, okay.
I think you bid. I'm gonna put $2 on this motherfucker.
Okay.
You hear me? Yeah. Okay. But yeah, man, thank y'all for tuning in to our room tour. Yep. Y'all seen our crib. Y'all seen our little walk-in shower. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen our little view we got back there. You know, seen our little safe. You know?
And that's it. That's our stateroom.
That's our stateroom, baby. Appreciate y'all tuning in.
Bye.
After the room tour, we was hungry, so we decided to go to Johnny Rockets and see what they had for us to eat. They happen to have unlimited food for $15 per person, and if you had the drink package, the milkshakes were included. No tomato? Yes, and can I do the float?
What kind of milkshake?
Can we do root beer?
We really enjoyed the views from Johnny Rockets on this ship. We were able to still see the city because we hadn't left yet. But the milkshakes and the root beer float was everything.
We also got some chili cheese fries. It's not the chili cheese fries that I'm used to, but they worked for what we needed them for. The sandwiches we had, they were pretty decent, I guess. They served a purpose.
After we ate, we went to the gym area. We planned to do some working out during this trip, but y'all know how that go. So it was very nice in there. They really had every type of equipment, like workout equipment that you can think of. So it was pretty cool.
So if your goal is to work out while you're on a cruise ship, you ain't got nothing but options.
After we saw the gym, we went up to deck 11 for the sail-away party. The sail-away party was pretty lit. Everybody was doing all the dances, having a good time, and I think we were just wasting time so that the ship could pull off, but it was really fun.
And as you can see, a lot of people got jackets on, and you can see that like the wind is blowing pretty hard, so a lot of people weren't out because it was kind of cold out, but a few people came out. Here is one of our favorite bars, Sky Bar, which is right above the pool bar. It's crazy. They have 2 bars right above each other just in case you want to get a drink.
After the sail-away party and the Sky Bar, we went to the ice skating rink. This was the first time that they had opened the ice skating rink to the guests. So we were able to go, and Sam looked like he had a really good time.
See, I'm a little professional. I don't be trying to tell people, you know, I ain't did my ice skating thing in a few years. You know, I had to tell them they had to fix the ice. It was a little slippery. I was about to fall and everything. But I was out there and I had a pretty good time. It's a good exercise if you've never been ice skating.
Be careful now.
I don't know how to do this. I'm just trying to stay off the ground.
Be careful.
I ain't trying to fall. Player can't fall. He can slip, but don't fall, baby. Don't fall. Watch, I'm saying that for around fall. As soon as I leave, hell no.
Go
This shit
ahead.
take a lot of strength, bro. Put your
It
ass
do.
up.
By that time, it was about evening and it was around dinner time, so we headed down to the Windjammer and got some food. This was our first time being in the Windjammer, so it was pretty cool to see what we have been looking at on all the videos. And it's a very big area. Almost any type of food that you can think of is there. It's plenty of seating. You don't have to worry about not getting a seat, and it's a pretty cool place.
When we first went in, we immediately grabbed plates because we were so hungry. We thought like all the food was right in front of us. It was so many more food selections than we initially thought in the things that we saw when we first walked into the Windjammer. You literally need to walk around the entire place before you even get a plate so you know what you want to eat first.
After the Windjammer, we headed down to our first game show of the cruise, and this one was called Majority Rules.
With this game, they will put out questions or statements, and everybody is already on teams prior to the game starting. So you give the funniest answer that you think everybody would agree with, and majority rules. So if everybody agrees with the answer that you choose, you win that round. So the winner, they give the winner a lot of prizes and everything like that.
The majority is when you were a child, what was the one thing you were afraid to be caught doing? Playing alone. Playing with yourself. That's all I'm saying. Being alone. Children are like, what? Really? That's it? I do that all the time. We'll move on. Anyway, give us a cheer if you put down that answer in some words, adults. Okay.
After we finished the majority rules, we decided it was time to go get some grub. So we headed down to the promenade to get some of that unlimited pizza and some drinks and a couple other snacks before we went to our room for the evening.
And that's our first day on the Royal Caribbean Adventure of the Seas cruise.